Hey you guys, so today I'm going to be starting my Microlocs on my own because I went to a consultation for sister locks, and while I know that she does good work because I looked at this particular consultant's like page where she does her installations and all of that, takes pictures of it. Great work. They always come out looking perfect. When they mature, they looked wonderful. But I just can't see myself paying my rent to just get my hair done when I know that I can do this on my own. So that's what I will be doing. I am going to be installing Microlocs with the 2-strand twist method instead of the interlocking method, which I watched a couple of YouTube videos about the interlocking method, which I mean I could do it, but I just feel like that would be taking unnecessary time when I've seen also YouTube videos that people have started their Microlocs with 2-strand twist and they come out looking the exact same. So I guess in order to save a little bit of time, I will be doing the 2-strand twist because I have 11 inches, almost 12 inches of hair. So I feel like doing the interlocking method would take me forever, and I have a regular day job and I don't want to be having to go to work looking wild. So hopefully I can start on it today and finish it between today and Sunday, maybe Monday possibly, you know, at the latest. And I will come back on once I start. I'm gonna use these clips. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clips. I'm gonna moisturize my hair with, if this focuses, yeah, okay, with this Jamaican black castor oil. I have my broken rat tail comb. I have rose water here, and then I have my packs of curl enhancing smoothie that I will be using as a moisturizer on the twist. And I washed my hair with the Dr. Bronner's soap that I typically use for my body wash, but I use the rose hemp rose scent, but I don't think that matters. But yeah, so I wash my hair and I'm going to start the process of parting my hair into sections to moisturize and probably braid instead of twisting it so that it can stretch it out, and then wait maybe an hour or two for it to stretch out, and then I will start my twist and I will come back to show you my method, I guess, and progress that is being made. So I'll talk to you guys in a few. Okay.
I was checking this girl next door when her parents went out. She phone say, hey boy, come on right around. So I knock at the door, you were standing with a bottle of red wine ready to pour, dressed in long black satin, lace to the floor. So I went in, we sat down, started saying, girl, saying, told me about jacuzzi, sounded interesting. So we jumped right in, all calls diverted to answer the phone. Please leave a message after the tone. I mean, me and her parents were kinda cool, but they were the fine line between me and you. We were just doing things and people loved you. Parents trying to find out what we were up to, saying, why were you creeping round? 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 Why were you creeping round?
So this is the basics of what I'm gonna do. I flat twisted the top and braided at the root, and I'm gonna do that for the rest of my hair. And those are the sections that I will be using to start installing the 2-strand twist. Just so that I can try to keep the sizes uniform and lines and all of that stuff uniform, so it won't be too all over the place, if I am doing this on my own and I'm not a loctician or sister lock consultant or installationer, whatever, if that's a word. I'm not a professional. I am just a person that wants Microlocs, and she's gonna give them to herself. So I will come back once these dry out as much as possible. All right. So I finished this side, and it has 47 locks or 2-strand twists, and one of them is really tiny because it's my edge, but I can cover it up with the other 2-strand twist. But yes, one side is complete, and I'm gonna start on this side and probably finish the back row and wear a hat tomorrow, because I know I'm not gonna finish this tonight. But just wanted to show you my progress so far. And I don't think I did them too tiny or too, and any white stuff you see is just product, because I'm using my curling heads and smoothies. But I don't think that my sections are too small for my liking. So let's see how the other side turns out. I'm gonna aim to have even amounts on this side so that it looks uniform, I guess. So yeah, I will come back once I finish this side, and maybe the back row too. So yeah, that's when I'll come back after I finish that back row. Okay, you guys, so this is the next day. I didn't come back on after I did that back row. So yesterday I did this side, both sides, and the back row. And that took me about 2 or 3 hours. And then today I finished the rest, and that took me about all together 8 hours to finish my hair. And I have 283 or 284 locks in total, and I'm pretty happy with the results. So this is the back. You know, front. But I just keep it that way because I just like it. And I did have to braid this one, and then this one, and this one, just because I felt like they'll probably come out. Of course, shrinkage, but whatever, it don't matter. So yeah, that's about the length of my hair, without it shrinking up to my shoulders, but I don't care either way. So yeah, I'm all done. Starting this lock journey. Today is October 5th, so today is my Microloc installation, day. And let's see how this journey goes, and I'll give you an update in a month to see if anything, just to give you an update on my progress and how things are going, even though I know it's a couple of videos on the internet already about Microlocs, at the different months, but I'll still share my journey as well, because I'm pretty sure that could help somebody too. But yeah, 8 hours total and I'm done. I thought it was gonna take me days, but it really didn't, which I figured it would anyway, because I typically do mini twists in my hair, and it'll take me about 3 to 4 hours. So these are a bit smaller, but it didn't take me as long as I thought, so that's always a plus. So yeah, October the 5th, 2018, starting my lock journey. So talk to y'all later.